from one thing, you can know 10,000 things. Who knew that a 17th generation Yoshimoto bladesmith happened to have this little shop in Hillsboro, Oregon? When Marie is forging, it's not much different than breathing for him. Effortless movement. It's about the constant pursuit of being better, being stronger, getting sharper. And that's something that's really motivating for me. Iron is unforgiving, but it's also predictable, and it's always the same. What changes is you and your psychology and how you're feeling that day. Through our process, we refine the steel by subjecting it to stress in much the same way that we refine our bodies by subjecting it to stress over time with weightlifting, using the iron. Knives and steel, it demands your attention. You have to be mindful of exactly what you're doing. It's not just about the steel and the iron, it's also about the people, your training partners. We've all got the same goal. I'm a MUTEKI bladesmith. Well, MUTEKI means unrivaled, peerless. And I think that is so apt that these knives are going to be going to the winner of this competition, the one who has demonstrated themselves to be without rival and peerless. Nothing worth doing is easy. Do not falter. Do not waver. And never give up. The amount of improvement that's available to you is only limited by you. Do whatever you need to do to aggressively move toward victory. Doesn't everybody want to just keep improving? I do. How would you like your phone book today?
Feel that.
Oh, great, yeah.
So if I can I just drink this while I'm just gonna drink this while I'm talking, and if I don't survive, tell my mother I love her. Lala, I gotta do my voice exercises first. Unique New York. Unique. Okay, well, not sure how to start this. But my personality lends towards being too much, usually, so.
We're all aware.
I have a lot of angst. Don't put that in the video. Foreign objects. I'll stop. Oh, it's really small. Oh, that's what they say about Tom Cruise. How comforting. Yeah. Because I'm crazy. And we're all that way a little bit, especially weightlifters. I go and lift weights so I don't kill people.